Welcome to our review of the Logitech Wave Keys Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard, a product designed to elevate your typing experience by promoting comfort and functionality. The Wave Keys design is compact, placing your hands and wrists in a natural and ergonomic position. Its wavy key layout aligns with the natural curves of your hands, reducing strain during extended typing sessions. The keyboard features a cushioned palm rest made with memory foam for added comfort and support. Connectivity is versatile, offering Bluetooth and Logi Bolt receiver options, allowing easy switching between multiple devices seamlessly. One of the standout capabilities is the personalization feature through the Logi Options Plus app, which lets users configure shortcuts and optimize their workflow. However, users should be aware that it might lack certain premium features present in higher-end ergonomic models. Compared to others, such as mechanical ergonomic keyboards, the Wave Keys excels with its compactness and environmental sustainability, constructed with recycled plastic and certified as carbon neutral. This keyboard pairs wonderfully with accessories like the Lift vertical ergonomic mouse for a comprehensive ergonomic setup. We recommend this keyboard for office workers, tech enthusiasts, or anyone prioritizing comfort during hours of typing. For those looking to improve their productivity ergonomically, the Logitech Wave Keys is a solid investment. Thank you for joining us in exploring this innovative product.